how to add World Liberty Financial Token on Bybit wallet. So this token came under the symbol of WLFI. As you can see, this token is available on Mexc. Now to be able to add this token to Bybit, what you want to do, just go to contracts and click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now you can open your Bybit wallet for that. As you can see, after that, what you need to do is just from the top right corner, as you can see, click here to select this Solana network. And after you select it, what you do is just click on these three lines and click on this plus icon and make sure to select this Solana network, as you can see. So after that, as you can see, you can paste token as in the search bar, and now this is our token. Now click on confirm to add this token to your wallet. If you want to make sure that this token added successfully to your wallet, now go back and now make sure to select the Solana network and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called WLFI to make sure that you add this token successfully to your wallet. I will just search for it again to be able to make sure that this token added successfully. As you can see, this is it. So our wallet, our token, sorry, added successfully to our wallet. So this is how to add World Liberty Financial Token on Bybit wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.